Okay, let us solve some more problems on concept of pressure. Here the present question is convert 70 mm of Hg into equivalent height of diesel and take Sg as 0.8. Sg means specific gravity is 0.8. Specific gravity of what here? Specific gravity of diesel is 0.8. This is the given data. In this problem, we need to convert this 70 mm of Hg into equivalent height of diesel. We know that 70 mm of Hg means mercury, 70 mm of mercury column, it is nothing but it's a pressure at a particular point. Now, we need to convert this pressure into diesel, diesel pressure. When you use mercury as the manometric fluid, the height of the mercury column is 70 mm for a given pressure. And instead of mercury, if we use diesel, what will be the height of the diesel? Or what will be the height of the diesel column? And that is what he has asked. So given data are, height of the mercury column is 70 mm. If you convert this into meter, it will be 0.07 meter. Specific gravity of diesel is 0.8 and G is 9.8, which is acceleration due to gravity. We know the basic formula, it is P equal to rho into G into H. Pressure of a particular point due to the column of any fluid or any liquid. So P equal to rho into G into H. If you use mercury as the manometric fluid, then this density is density of the mercury and height is height of the mercury. This depends on the whatever the manometric fluid will use. Okay, when you use mercury as a manometric fluid, then pressure P equal to this much. Okay, then instead of using mercury, if you use diesel as a manometric fluid, then what will be the height of the diesel column? To find equivalent diesel, we have one thing you have to remember here is whenever you use diesel or mercury, the pressure is same. What is changing here is the density of the manometric fluid is changing here. So whether you use mercury or diesel, the pressure at a particular point will be remain same. But what is going to be changed is the density of the given fluid. So to find equivalent diesel or equivalent height of diesel, we have pressure due to this mercury column equal to pressure due to diesel column. So wherever PHG is there, substitute this formula and which is equal to pressure due to diesel. Pressure due to diesel column or pressure due to mercury column will be equal. What is going to be changed is the height of the diesel or height of the mercury is changed. So from this equivalent formula, you can extract the height of the diesel in the manometer. That is exactly what the answer of this question is, which is 70 mm of Hg. If you convert this into equivalent height of diesel, it will be 1.19 meter of height. So when you use mercury as the manometric fluid, the height of the column is 0.7 meter. So when you use diesel as the manometric fluid, the height of the diesel is 1.1 more meter. So that is what the today's question. Let us solve another problem on concept of pressure. The given question is a manometer attached to a vessel containing a fluid gives a reading of 5 cm of Hg. Then what will be the manometer reading if water is used as manometric fluid? The question is very simple here. We have a manometer which is attached to a vessel containing fluid. This manometer reading is 5 cm of Hg. Now instead of mercury, if you use water, then what will be the height of the water? Height of the mercury is 5 cm Hg. He has given. Density of the mercury is 13,600. Then density of the water, we know that 1000 kg per meter cube. Atmospheric pressure is this much. And G is 9.8 meter per second square. We know very important thing here. Whether you use mercury or the water as a manometer fluid, the pressure inside the vessel will be same. What is going to be changed when you change the manometer fluid is just the height of the fluid column will be changed. If you use mercury, the height of the column is 5 centimeter. Then what will be the height of the water when you use water as manometer fluid? So pressure at both the cases is same. I mean pressure of the fluid inside the vessel is same. P equal to pressure when you used mercury equal to pressure when you used water. Both are same. So pressure PHG equal to density of mercury into G into height of the mercury, which is equal to density of water into G into height of the water. So only unknown in this formula is height of the water. So it will be 68 centimeter. You can observe the difference here. When you use mercury as manometer fluid, the height of the mercury will be 5 centimeter. Then when you use water as manometer fluid, then the height of the water is 68 centimeter. So that is what the answer is.